Once upon a time, in a bustling city neighborhood, there lived a playful Labrador named Bella. Bella was known for her boundless energy and her love for chasing butterflies in the park. Every morning, Bella would eagerly wait by the door, tail wagging furiously, ready for her daily adventure. One sunny morning, as Bella raced through the park, she stumbled upon a tiny, lost puppy hiding behind a bush. The puppy looked up at Bella with wide, frightened eyes. Bella's heart melted at the sight of the scared little pup. Without hesitation, Bella gently nudged the puppy out of hiding and led him back to her owner's house. The puppy, whom Bella named Scout, quickly became her constant companion. Bella taught Scout how to play fetch, how to greet strangers with a friendly woof, and how to enjoy belly rubs in the afternoon sun. As days turned into weeks, Bella and Scout became inseparable. They would chase each other around the backyard, dig for buried treasures, and nap together in a cozy corner of the house. Bella was patient with Scout's boundless energy, and Scout looked up to Bella with admiration and love. One rainy afternoon, a thunderstorm rattled the windows, sending Scout trembling with fear. Bella immediately snuggled up beside him, offering comfort and warmth. She showed him that storms were nothing to be afraid of and stayed by his side until the last rumble faded away. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day, and Bella couldn't imagine her life without Scout by her side. She was proud to see him grow from a timid puppy into a confident and loving companion. One evening, as the sun set over the city skyline, Bella and Scout sat together on the porch, watching the world go by. Bella knew that she had found not only a friend in Scout, but a purpose in guiding him through life's adventures. And so, Bella and Scout's story became a favorite among the neighborhood, a tale of friendship, courage, and the joy of finding a forever home.